Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to Doctype. So if you want to create Doctype in Visual Studio Code, you can type exclamation mark. Okay, you can tap here and press enter. It will be automatically create Doctype HTML. So ini will be include for the header, body, and also for the end of HTML. So like in body here, I will tap paragraph text, and this is a sample. Now you can click file, save, and then view on the browser. So that's it for the basic Visual Studio Code, how to Doctype.